easy to understand.
Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which helps the body to recover from the high cholesterol. A study published in the International Journal of Humanities and Social Science in 2013 tells us that lemon juice is effective in reducing cholesterol.
How to use lemon juice to reduce cholesterol. If you want to reduce cholesterol with lemon, then you must use it on a daily basis. But don't just rely on the lemon juice. If you really want to reduce cholesterol, then you should exercise regularly and must eat a low-fat diet.
Drink water with lemon juice. To reduce the cholesterol, you can use lemon juice in the water. Squeeze lemon in a glass of water and drink it. Warm water with lemon juice will be good. Try to squeeze the lemon with its juice and pulp. The pulp of lemon is more effective on cholesterol. You can drink a glass of warm water with lemon juice as soon as you wake up.
Include lemon juice in your food. Another option to use lemon juice to reduce cholesterol is to include it in your food. The lemon juice included in your food help it to quickly digest. It also reduces the impact of cholesterol on your body from the food. Simply squeeze the lemon on top of your food.
According to the American Dietetic Association, the terpenoid compound called limonene found in lemons may lower LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol levels. This, in turn, can also help to prevent heart disease.
Lemon may also offer several other health benefits. Studies are being conducted to explore the potential anti-cancer abilities of limonene. According to Reader's Digest, lemon rinds also contain rutin, which can strengthen the walls of capillaries and veins.
Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can reduce the risk of kidney stones.